Hello and welcome friends. Welcome to my channel once again. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it now in order to get more and more information regarding this. This is the second part of male reproductive system that you are going to see. This is the structure of the scrotum containing testes, a pair of testes. The scrotum contains two types of muscles. This is cremaster muscle over here, and the other one is dartos tunic muscle or dartos muscle. Cremaster muscle is a thin layer of striated muscle found in the inguinal canal as well as in the scrotum. Now these structures are the nerves and the blood vessels. It is surrounded by skin. Now dartos is a thin layer of smooth muscle which is known as muscle fascia. When it contracts, it gives a wrinkled appearance to the scrotum. Now coming to the external genitalia of males, this is the reproductive organ, copulatory organ called penis. It contains two types of spongy tissue. One is corpus cavernosum, another is corpus spongiosum. The front part of the penis is very sensitive. It is known as glans penis. Here you can see the scrotum containing the testis. This is the urinary bladder. This is the duct of the bladder that is also draining through urethra. And the genital duct is also draining through the urethra. The genital duct consists of three different ducts from three different parts of the gland, that is seminal vesicle, a pair of seminal vesicle, this is a pair of Cowper's gland, and there is a single prostate gland over here. The skin covering the penis is known as foreskin. Now this is the external morphology of penis. Penis is used to pass out urine, deposit sperms into the vagina for fertilization. These are two functions of the penis that you can see. This is the transverse section of penis. These are the blood vessels. This is the vein, and these are the arteries. This dotted structure are the nerves. It contains fibrous envelope, and these are the spongy tissues. A pair of corpora cavernosa and a single corpus spongiosum. Within the corpus spongiosum you can see the urethra over here. If you look it closer, you can find out the urethra is here. Now here there is this dividing region is known as septum pectiniforme. The tip of the penis is called glans, as I told you. The skin that covers the penis is the foreskin or prepuce. It contains spongy erectile tissue forming three cylindrical masses. Two of them are known as corpora cavernosa and one is known as corpus spongiosum. Now the semen. What is semen actually? It is a viscous whitish liquid ejaculated through penis during orgasm, sexual orgasm. 3 to 5 liters of semen is released per ejaculation. Soon after ejaculation, it clots due to the presence of fibrinogen. Just after clotting, a few moments after clotting, the plasmin present in the semen dissolves the clot. You have to be familiar with two more terms, that is oligospermia, which means too low sperm count, and azoospermia means absence of sperm. So that's all about male reproductive system. Please subscribe my channel and please allow me to post more videos so that you can have an access to these. Thank you.